Look up through the simulated atmosphere overhead. How's the view of the Helix Nebula? Sharp or blurry? Now press button 2. This is how Hubble sees the Helix Nebula, or rather, part of it. Hubble sees very sharply, but it has a narrow field of view. Now press button 3. From Earth's surface, the atmosphere blurs what we can see in space. We're like fish in a pond trying to see objects above the water. Hubble overcomes this problem by getting above the atmosphere into Earth's orbit.